Hello friends, myself Jitendra Kumar Mahapatra welcome you all to your channel, The Utkar Investor. In all my videos, while analyzing a stock, I used to discuss the PE ratio with you of that particular stock. Some of you may not understand what is PE ratio and might be wondering that what I was speaking about. So today we will discuss what is PE ratio. But before knowing that, it is essential to understand what is EPS or earning per share. It can be best understood with the help of an example. Let's say there is one real estate property whose rental income is 10,000. So we can say that the earnings from the property is 10,000. And there are two shareholders of that property with equal power. That means the number of shares available from the property is 2. So to find the EPS or earning per share of that property, we have to divide the net profit or net earnings by the number of shares available. So in this case, it is 10,000 divided by 2 equals 5,000 is the earning per share. Say if the property has 5 shareholders with equal powers, then the number of shares available for the property is 5. In this case, the EPS is 10,000 divided by 5 equals to 2,000. EPS is also known as the net profit per share, earning per share or net profit per share. Suppose HDFC Bank's FY20 net profit is say 1 lakh rupees. And it has 100 shares available. The bank has 100 shares. So in this case, the EPS of HDFC Bank is 1 lakh divided by 100 equals to 1000. So the EPS of the HDFC Bank is 1000 for the financial year 20. So I hope the concept of EPS is clear to you. So now we can move forward to PE ratio. PE ratio is the simplest ratio of valuing a company. It signifies the amount an investor is ready to pay for each unit of profit. That means to earn 1 rupee of profit, how much the investor is ready to pay. The formula for PE ratio is market value per share divided by the earnings per share. To find the PE of a stock, we generally take the last 12 months earnings released by the company or the last 4 quarters earnings. Suppose we are finding the PE of a company or a stock in July 2020. In this case, we have to take into account the quarterly earnings of June 20, March 20, December 19 and September 19. Some analysts calls PE ratio as the PE multiple, as it also signifies the number of years it will take to get back your original investments just through earnings. Suppose you have bought a stock at rupees 100 and the earnings from that stock for the first year is rupees 10. In this case, it will take 10 years for you to get back your original investment just through earnings. So in this case, the PE multiple for the stock is 10. Some people think or some people consider if a stock is trading at rupees 50, it is cheaper than the stock which is trading at rupees 200. But normally that's not the case. It is the PE ratio which determines whether the stock is cheap or costly. Again, say for example, there are two real estate properties, property A and property B. The rental income of property A is 10,000, whereas the market value of property A is 1 lakh rupees. And the rental income of property B is 5,000, whereas the market value of property B is 80,000. In this case, the PE of property A is 1 lakh divided by 10,000. 1 lakh divided by 10,000. 1 lakh is the market value, whereas 10,000 is the earnings. So the PE comes to 10. In case of property B, the PE is 80,000 divided by 5,000. It is 16. So in this case, property A is cheaper than property B. Although I have to pay 20,000 extra to acquire property A than property B. But I will recover my investments through earnings in 10 years. Whereas in case of property B, it would take me 16 years to recover my investment. So I hope the concept of PE is clear to you all. If still there is any doubt, just watch the full video 3 to 4 times repeatedly and the concept will get clear. Also remember that the price to earnings ratio or the PE ratio is not the only parameter to value a company. There are other parameters too. To know more such parameters, please subscribe to the channel and please share the videos as much as possible. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.